So when you think of a lot of the ones that are cloud-based, like QuickBooks, NetSuite, Acumatica, so on and so forth. So there's a whole bunch of them that are out there. The big things that are missing that I'm seeing or not being accounted for is really being able to handle the WMS part of things. So the warehouse management part of things. So printing packing lists, to print labels, to do those type of things with processing an order. These companies are putting these products out there and they're able to handle the item setups, the accounts receivable, customer numbers, all of those different things. But say you have your own warehouse and you're putting boxes together and you're fulfilling product and you're shipping it, and you're sending it to FedEx or you're sending it via UPS, whoever it may be, you're sending these products out, or you're using trucks, or they're your buyer's trucks. Whatever it may be, you still have to be able to print the labels that are required. You have to be able to print the packing lists that are required. A lot of the drop ship customers or e-commerce are asking for these packing slips to be put into the boxes that make it look like it's coming directly from them when it's actually coming from a manufacturer who's a totally different entity, totally different company. With that, these companies that are putting out ERPs are not putting out full encompassing products that can handle all this. So there's other entities that are in the EDI world that are making up for it, and they're being able to allow you to do packing lists, to print labels, to do all those different things that really you should be doing in the ERP or as a part of the ERP process with your order processing. So I wanted to bring that up. I wanted to talk about that. I wanted to say, hey, just remember, don't forget that piece of it. The warehouse piece is big if you're doing drop ship and you're doing all those things. People say to me, oh, well, doesn't your EDI solution or tool handle that? Well, depending on who we recommend to you, because of the questions that we ask you, it might not. And a lot of times it really shouldn't, because you should be able to process an order from beginning to end. So order, acknowledge it, ship it, invoice it, get payment. You should be able to do all of that process no matter if you have EDI or don't have EDI. You shouldn't need to add on an EDI solution to make up for something your ERP should have either homegrown built in or have an add-on that will be able to take care of all of that. EDI is the after fact. EDI is the automation. EDI is the one to make it that you can actually process a lot more documents in a lot more efficient way than you are manually.